Hey guys, in today's video, 7 Sparta reached out to me to check out their dual pod light mounting brackets. They're powder coated aluminum and they mount to the accessory ready point here on the Bronco. So let's check them out.
A big thank you to 7 Sparta for providing the product for this video. The mounting brackets arrive well packaged in a box with foam all around them to protect them. They are powder coated aluminum and they have a really nice quality to them. To start with, you need to remove these 2 Bronco bolts on the cowl. The first one is a TP25 and the second one is a TP30. And it's your choice which way round you want to mount the bracket. You can have it angled away from the front of the vehicle, or if you choose the opposite bracket, you can have it leaning towards the front of the vehicle. On the passenger side of the vehicle here, I'm showing you what it looks like mounted with the bracket facing towards the front of the vehicle. Simply install and tighten down the bolts. TP30 on the right, TP25 on the left. As you can see in the background, I already had the rigid ditch lights installed. They're just resting on a towel so they don't damage the windshield. And I'm mounting the bracket for those rigid ditch lights here. And here you can see I slide the mount all the way over to the left for the potential to install a second set of ditch lights on the right hand side. The mounting bracket lifts up the ditch light and pushes it forward in this case. On the passenger side, I used the same bracket and rotated it 180 degrees, so you can see it's lifted up the ditch light and pulled it back towards the A-pillar. So that just gives you an idea of the 2 different ways of mounting this bracket.
As you can see, I only have a single set of ditch lights, so what I've done is I've shown you how you can lift up those lights, push them forward, or pull them back depending on which orientation you put the bracket. They're a really nicely finished product, they come in a nice box, and they fit perfectly. So tell me what you think in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, maybe subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.